Welcome back, you lovely peeps. It's good to see you. My name is Fath. And we are going to be continuing this page, and we're moving on to the actual wet. We've applied our ground. I've decided my background is going to be orange and probably yellow, because I have so much green, which is yellow-blue. I don't want it just totally yellow. So let's go with orange. We have this lovely, very yellowy orange. Or I can go with the vermilion, which is more reddish. That's maybe. That's it. Salmon, orange, or vermilion. Let's go with orange for now. Looks like I was already doing this on a different project. And I see I've also got a little bit of yellow there. You know what? I'm going to continue that. Just plain old yellow. Not going to use much, but something. All right. I do better when I use a brush and water. And let's move my water down here. Make sure we are still in frame pretty much. Okay. All right. My triangle, or my point of interest, is going like this. I might go past. So. Here we go. Two things I wanted to mention before I actually did this. One, your background is going to give you a mood. And you will notice that your darker backgrounds give a moodier type of feel. And the second thing I want to mention is be messy. Do not follow the lines. So, let's go. I'm going to need a lot more orange. We want splotchy layers. If you've ever seen The Great Race, there's a pie throwing scene, and the king is yelling, "More rum, more rum!" And yeah, more orange. If you've not seen that movie, it is awesome. And it's old, which you may or may not like. But I have adored that movie as a child. So I mention it. Now, the only thing I'm actually doing here is I'm making the yellow down at the bottom whiter than at the top. And that is basically a triangle. See? Orchid dogs. All right, we are done with that. And I wonder if I want to get in the middle-ish. Just a little bit, I think. Just a little bit. I don't want it totally covered, because you know what? That's what that is for. That's what that is for. Okay. That came out nice and dark. That was an oops. Let's see if we can get that up without it being too distracting. Yeah, it's okay. More rum, more rum. If you can, don't do hard lines. And at some point, I am bound to talk about lost and found lines. Just not today, I think. Alrighty. that is enough for now. We'll let this dry and we will come back.